charging up some Fox shocks with a nitrogen setup, budget setup. Bought a regulator on Amazon with a air gas nitrogen tank. It was about $200 all in. I'm gonna give it a shot, so you don't have to spend $400 on a power tank. So what you do is you turn it on. Well, first you hook it up. I'm gonna set these to 200 in the back because I ride heavy in the back. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. Keep pulling it all the way out is off, so that doesn't let nitrogen out of this. Pulling it in will let the nitrogen pass through. So you turn it all the way out. You turn your tank on. You'll see it's about 1200, 1400, which is good. I got mine set at about 200, 175, 200. And then what you do is you come over here and you just turn this in. Listen for the hissing, and you wait a couple minutes, let it fill up. You probably can't hear it, but it's hissing still. Okay, turn it off. Come down here. If you don't have a shutoff valve, just turn that off. And then take it off. You'll hear that. That's just air in this line. And you're done.